Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I've been wearing darn tough socks for the past 10, 15 years for skiing, hiking, everyday wear. The original plan was to buy once, cry once, invest in durable goods and quality companies. Since these are kind of expensive, around $20 a pair, they do come with an unconditional lifetime warranty that we are going to test today. I never thought I would be the type to send them in, but these models over here are starting to have holes develop, and this might have been a mistake on my part for choosing thinner ones as my running socks compared to these three over here have held up really well over the years. The elasticity is still good. Hopefully we could get these exchanged for a thicker, more durable model. Let's go fill out some paperwork. I can't believe it worked, and they're honoring wear and tear on their socks. So this guaranteed for life is very true. I was already a loyal customer, but I love them even more now. They gave me $20 credit per pair. I sent in 2 pairs because those 2 were the ones with holes that developed. And about a week or 2 later, I got an email for $40 credit. I was not taking into consideration their deal on the website of spending more than $50 to get free shipping. So I ended up buying another pair, which I don't mind at all. I really like the socks. I know I will wear and use them. So looking forward, if I were ever to do the returns process again, I would send in 3 pairs, and my real out-of-pocket cost would just be the initial shipping of getting my old socks to Vermont, and that could be anywhere between $6 or $10 depending on where you are in the United States. I ended up going with these ultra light ones again, but they have a little cushioning now. Hopefully they will be a little bit more durable and I don't ever have to take advantage of this returns process again. So for now, video 222 done.